Everyone has different skin color and all of them are equally beautiful, but glowing, spotless skin is one thing that we all need. It does not matter, you are fair or dark, you always should have a glowing skin. Today, in this video, I will share one skin whitening remedy that will improve the texture and tone of your skin. Ingredients required are cold-pressed, extra virgin coconut oil, and freshly squeezed juice of 1 lemon. Preparation and application method. In a clean bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil with lemon juice. Mix both ingredients well, until they settle. Apply this mixture on your clean face with cotton ball and let it dry for 20 to 25 minutes. After given time period, wash your face with lukewarm water. At last, splash cold water on your face to close skin pores. The vitamin C, present in lemon juice, is an excellent bleaching material. It also acts as a barrier for bacteria attack on the skin. The antioxidant property of the coconut oil helps in generating new and healthy skin cells, which brightens and whitens the skin. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button on the YouTube app to never miss an update from Glow Pink.